The next exercise is called cannot reach the desired pressure, and the solution is to use the at pressure key. In cases where the fan is already running its maximum speed and we can't get any more flow out of the fan, then we can use the extrapolation key or the at pressure key to find out what the flow would be at the pressure that we desire, even though we can't get there. Now, in this case, we can't simulate that because we can easily get the pressure because we have a fairly small house that we're testing here. So we're going to simulate that by doing a test on C2 where we won't be able to achieve 50 pascals, then use the at pressure key in order to find out how much the flow would be if we were able to achieve 50 pascals. A gauge setup consists of the red tube and yellow tube being connected to the red and yellow ports on the gauge in this particular case for building pressure and for fan pressure, and a yellow Ethernet cable which comes out, which is a control cable. This comes down over towards the fan, and the yellow connector goes into the fan onto the reference B port, and the Ethernet cable, which is the controlling cable, goes into the fan. Normally the red tube, which is about 14 feet longer than this tube, will go through the panel here and outdoors. In this case, in the simulator, to keep away from the blast of the fan, it goes in a hole up here. First thing we do is to run the fan up to as high a speed as we can go. In this case, we're going to go set pressure 50. Not able to achieve it, so we simply press the at pressure key. And we take a reading that would be the flow that we would achieve if we could achieve 50 pascals and write it down.